Hi, welcome to another episode of PSLE Science Made Simple. I'm Mr. Farid and I'm a PSLE Science Specialist here at the Pique Lab. In this video, I'll be analyzing a past year exam question. I've also prepared this question for you to download for free by clicking a link in the description box below. So, let's get started. Question 8. Owen placed two birds A and B in two cages as shown in the diagrams below. And for part A, the question wants us to find out which bird, A or B, will survive longer. Let's do a quick recap. In order for living things to survive, what are the three important things that they need? They need air, food, and water. Let's compare between bird A and bird B. Do both birds have air, food, and water? Can you spot what is the difference? Bird B has no water, while bird A has water. Now, since bird A has water, which bird will survive longer? Bird A. Part B. The question wants us to give a reason for the answer in part A. Now, before we answer this, let me share with you an answering template that I share with my students in the Pique Lab. Since the question asks you to choose which bird in part A and then to give a reason in part B, the answering template that I encourage my students to use is called CUE. Now, what does C stand for? C stands for choose, U stands for use data, and E stands for explain. We have already chosen in part A. So now we are only left with use data and explain. Now, what is use data? Use data means to use information from the diagram or table given in the question. In this case, we are given a diagram. So what is shown in this diagram that makes us choose bird A instead of bird B? The reason why we choose bird A is because we observe that bird A has water unlike bird B. So this will be our use data. Lastly is explain. This is when we need to use our scientific concept to answer. Think about this. Why, when there is water, bird A survives longer? Because living things need water to survive. Now, let me share with you what most of my students wrote for explain. They wrote, bird A is a living thing and living things need air, food, and water to survive. Do you think this answer is correct? If you said yes, unfortunately, you are wrong. Although we have learned that living things need air, food, and water to survive, what is the focus of this question? Is it about air? No, because both birds have air. Is it about food? No again, because both birds have food. The focus of this question is about water. Therefore, we need to be specific in our answer. We should instead say that as birds are living things and living things need water to survive, bird A will survive longer. Part C. What characteristics of living things does this experiment show? Can I say living things can grow? Or perhaps living things can reproduce? No. Again, the focus is on this experiment. And in this experiment, we know that the focus is not about air, it's not about food, but it is about water. Therefore, the answer is living things need water to survive. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have enjoyed this video. Found this video useful? Give us a thumbs up and check out more by clicking the links here. You can also subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. Until next time, stay curious inside and limitless outside. Bye!